folks, we're back with this 1Ticket1Win $1 trillion pink ticket. Let's see if we get a multiplier or a regular numbers right here. This is 1x multipliers right here that I'm scratching, which are 9, 42, 17, 32, and 47. And then under the 5x we have 44. Under the 10x we got a 2. Under the 20x we got a 30, and 50x we got a 29. Let's go. We got a 36, a 7, a 6, a 40, a 49, about a 14, number 8, 18, a 21, 46, 32. We got a win. 32. Beep, 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 beep. Any more wins? 37. We got a 1, a 48, a 22, a 39, 34, 26, 31, and a 38. Okay, just the 32 then. Just the 32. What do we win underneath this 1Ticket1Win? $15. We'll take it all day, every day. Beep, 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 beep. Thank y'all for watching Triple Do Scratch. I'm out of here.